What is ovulation? 1. Egg release. It's the release of a mature egg from one of the ovaries. 2. Mid-cycle. Ovulation usually happens around the middle of the menstrual cycle. 3. Hormonal trigger. It is triggered by a surge in luteinizing hormone. Ejaculation is the process where semen is forcefully expelled from the male body through the urethra. Fertilization is the biological process where two gametes, a sperm and an egg, merge to form a single cell called a zygote. The zygote develops through rapid cell divisions called cleavage, forming a solid ball of cells called the morula. This morula then transforms into a hollow ball of cells known as a blastocyst, which travels to the uterus. The blastocyst implants into the uterine wall, marking the start of further development into an embryo. 1. Formation, fertilization. 1. A zygote is formed when a male sperm and a female egg, ovum, fuse during fertilization. 2. This fusion creates a single cell with a full set of chromosomes, 23 from the egg and 23 from the sperm. And 3. This process typically occurs in the fallopian tube. 2. Cleavage, cell division. 1. Immediately after its formation, the zygote begins to divide rapidly through a process called cleavage. 2. These divisions are mitotic, meaning the number of cells increases exponentially. And 3. The initial divisions produce 2, then 4, then 8, and so on, daughter cells called blastomeres. 3. Morula formation. As cell division continues, the zygote develops into a solid ball of cells called a morula, which contains 16 to 32 cells. The size of the structure does not increase during this stage, but the number of cells does. 4. Blastocyst formation. The morula then undergoes a process called blastulation, becoming a hollow ball of cells called a blastocyst. The blastocyst has an inner cell mass, which will become the embryo, and an outer layer called the trophoblast. 5. Implantation. 1. The blastocyst continues its journey to the uterus. 2. Once in the uterus, the trophoblast layer attaches to and burrows into the uterine lining, endometrium, in a process called implantation.